In this video, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn thousands of dollars online. This is going to be 100% free, and this is something that is going to be working worldwide. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so please make sure that you're not going to skip it. I'm going to be explaining everything in detail, but I'm going to try to do this video as quick as I can, but please do not miss anything, because chances are that that's the reason why you are not getting the results that I'm telling you you can get it. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial, and at the end of the video, guys, I'm going to show you another way in which you can earn money online. So this is going to be like a bundle pack. You're going to have two ways in just one video. Now let me show you everything step by step. Okay, so there is no investment required, but you need to take action. Okay, by watching just this video and not taking action, you're not going to get the results that I told you. So now what we need a Pinterest account. Okay, you can go to pinterest.com. you can sign in just by put in your name, a valid email address, confirm it, and boom, you're gonna get it. Why we're gonna be using Pinterest? Because Pinterest is a search engine. Okay, most people don't know, but this is a search engine, and it's also a social network. A lot of people who are here, it's because they're thinking about purchasing something. They're finding a solution and they will go away and purchase it. So another reason why, it's because you don't need to have a lot of things posted or pings on Pinterest in order to get traffic. For example, we have this account. This person, she has less than 7,000 followers, but she's getting 26,000 views per month. And one cool thing is the fact that this account do not have a lot of pings. Okay, so you can get a lot of followings. Right now we have another account here which has 81,000 followers and almost 3 million views per month. That's a lot, and these are really short videos that we can create. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how, just in case that you're wondering, like, yeah, you have a Pinterest account? Yes, I do, and check out my results. Crazy, just 7 followers here, but I'm getting over 1,000 monthly views. Okay, so there's no excuses like, yeah, I don't have a following, I'm starting from scratch. Okay, Pinterest is definitely the way to go. Another cool thing about Pinterest is that right now they hit 1 billion, yes, with 1 billion visits per month. Okay, these guys spend, on average over 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes. Okay, they watch a lot of content, 6.5 page per view. And there is a lot of people out there who are looking to what you have to post on Pinterest. And remember that these people are the guys who are actively looking to make a purchase. They want to get a solution to a problem, and again, Pinterest is 100% free. So go to pinterest.com and create your account. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to go to Google. We're going to go to google.com, and you're going to type motivational quotes or inspirational quotes. You're going to see that there are a lot of blogs. For example, you can click on this one, and as you can see, they do have a lot of motivational quotes. Okay, excellent. Now we're going to go to YouTube. Okay, you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to do this. Okay, you're going to go to motivational shorts. Okay, you're going to do that browse, because as I showed you, these are short videos. But please make sure that you're going to click here on filters, and you're going to click here where it says Creative Commons. Okay, we don't want to get in trouble. Okay, so this is how it actually looks, at least for me at the time recording this video. Okay, so we see that, for example, this person, okay, has been around for 4 years. This person has been around for 1 year, but we want the shorts. Okay, so we have this one. Okay, we have this one, we have this one. Now what you can do, okay, let's say that we're gonna go with this one. Okay, we're gonna watch it, we're gonna review it, we're gonna see like how the video looks like. Okay, so you're gonna see that it's nothing crazy. Okay, it's basically just a small video with some text. Okay, where you can get, this kind of information. Well, you can get it from here. Okay, so but since we have, this video do have the Creative Commons rights, you can go here where it says search or share, sorry, and you can copy this link. Okay, you can also go to Google, and you can find a YouTube Shorts downloader. In this case, I already found this one. You can paste the link here. Okay, it's going to be doing its magic. It's going to be searching, and it's going to start, or it's going to give me the option to download the video. So I can download it just with the video, or I can download it just with the audio. Okay, and you can click here and download, and you're going to have it here in your computer. Also, you can create your own, or you can modify the ones that you download. Okay, you can go to Canva. You can go to canva.com, and this is what you're going to be doing next. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Please let me know if you guys are using Pinterest, or if you ever consider creating a Pinterest account. Okay, please let me know in the comment area, because I'll be more than happy to know. Also, let me know what kind of content would you like to see here on my YouTube channel, because I want to make sure that I want to be creating content that is helpful for you and it's available here in your area. Okay, if you're ready to know what's my number one recommendations to make money online, I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be the very first link in the description, so you can know what's my number one recommendation to make money online with a full step-by-step tutorial. So now let me go back to the video. Okay, here on Canva.com, you're gonna type this. You're gonna type Pinterest. And by the way, guys, creating an account on Canva.com is 100% free. Okay, this is my free account, and you're gonna be creating a pin. Okay, so it's a Canva Pinterest pin. Okay, so we're gonna choose this one. Okay, we're gonna choose this one. Boom. So you're gonna see that they do have different templates. So again, you can choose one of this, or you can create one from your scratch. You can use the motivational quotes or the inspirational quotes that I already showed you, and you create your own pin. Or also, if you decide to go ahead and download the video, remember that they do need to have the Creative Commons label. Okay, you can actually upload the video here. Okay, you can go here where it says upload. You're gonna click here where it says a video, and you're gonna be uploading it. Okay, after that, when you have it ready, you're gonna click here where it says share, and you're gonna click here where it says download. Okay, really easy, really simple. Now, how are we gonna be earning money with this? Okay, we already have the video, we have the Pinterest account. Okay, how are we gonna be? Well, you're gonna click on Pinterest, and you are gonna click here where it says create, and you're gonna create a pin. Okay, you're gonna create a pin. You're gonna drag and drop the image if you decide to go with the image or the video. You're gonna put a small title and small description, and it's gonna be asking you for a destination link. Okay, so this is something actually really important. What's gonna be the destination link? Well, we need to actually earn money. So in my case, I'm gonna go to ClickBank. I'm gonna go to clickbank.com. I already have my account here. And if you don't have a ClickBank account, or for whatever reason you cannot use it in your area, there are alternatives. You can go to Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. There's so many other marketplaces. So you can type on Google ClickBank alternative. I'm pretty sure that there's going to be one that you're going to be using. In my case, well, I'm going to go all in with ClickBank. So now you're going to see that I do have several categories here on the left side. Okay, so I can go with computers, with cooking, okay, with education, with fiction, even with games. Okay, so there is no excuses, guys. If you like video games, okay, there is actually something for you here. Okay, also with health, fitness, self-help. Okay, let's say that I'm gonna go with spirituality and new age alternative. Okay, here I'm gonna go and I'm gonna be browsing by ranking, because that means that there's a lot of people who are actually making money with this. And now you're gonna click here where it says promote, and here you're gonna drag your link. Okay, here you're gonna grab your link, and that's the one that you're gonna be using. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that now you will like to wonder, like, what's another way in which you can actually earn money online. As I told you, there are going to be 2 ways in this video. So the other way, it's, I will say, like, it's going to be a more professional way to do it. Okay, there is going to be a video that is going to be way longer than this 10-12 minute video. So if you want to learn how you can earn even more money online passively, I mean, making money while you travel, making money while you sleep, I'm gonna leave a link below with my number 1 recommendation to make money online, so you can have that option. Okay, that's gonna be the very first link in the description. Again, guys, remember, take action. Okay, click the very first link in the description. Do this. On the meantime, remember, there is no investment, okay, but your time, but you need to take action if you really want to earn money online. Okay, so this is it for this video. I see you on the next video.